Alright, well, we're going to do a little work tonight. This should be the very last thing we have to do as far as cutting, drilling, welding on any sheet metal on the car. So once we get this done, we'll be pulling the motor out and beginning our final body work and prep to get this thing painted, which will be, a pretty lengthy process in and of itself, but it's a good place to be. And so anyway, this is the Lokar Eliminator series gas pedal, and it actually is billet aluminum and mounts on the floor up against the firewall. And we also have the billet aluminum brake pedal cover that bolts to the factory brake pedal on a 64, 65 Mustang, as you can see there. So we're going to go ahead and get this fitted, and we've got some holes to drill and a slot to cut in the firewall to allow the lever to come out the back, and so we're going to jump on that right now. Alright, first thing we do is on this installation is locate, you remove the pad off the pedal assembly and just locate it in a position that is comfortable for the driver. So we've got that positioned in a good spot, and then you just mark it there so that we have a place to figure out where our bracket's going to go. So this bracket goes on the outside, but it's going to be used as a template to drill our holes and cut the slot. So the template, along with some measurements and so forth, will allow us to get it in the correct place. So we're going to go ahead and mark the holes and get them drilled and cut the slot out, and then we'll get it put together to show you what it looks like. Alright, we've got our 4 holes drilled and in place, and the bolts in there. I'm just going to pull that out. We drill the holes, now we mark this, and now we can cut out that slot, and then we'll just bolt it in. So we'll go ahead and cut the slot out right now. We'll start by drilling a hole in each corner, and then use a body saw to cut out the spaces in between. So we'll do that now. Alright, we got our holes cut out up there, and now we're going to cut the slots out in between, or the spaces out in between, with a body saw. Alright, just a rough cut right there, and we'll come back and get these edges cleaned up and get it trimmed up, make it nice and neat, and bolt it in and hook up the throttle cable. We'll show you that next. Oh, and there's Matt just spectating, checking things out. He went to Lowe's, who didn't have the right Allen wrench to use or set the set screw on the throttle cable, so he went and picked that up for us, so we'll do that now. Alright, well, we cleaned up the edges and got the slot all ready and prepared. And you see with the slots for this lever that goes through that's on the back of the pedal. So you can see the fitment there is pretty good. Clearance is good, the angle is good. So we'll bolt it in from the back side, bolt this bracket on the back side, and hook up our throttle cable, and we'll wrap it up. Alright, we got Matt in the car, and we got our pedals all finished up, both the gas pedal, and Matt worked on the brake pedal and got it to fit. Ran into a couple of little snags with it, but was able to do a little improvising and make it work. So here's we made a little bracket here as well for the throttle cable, and we need to do a little bit more trimming on it. It's a little bit too bulky. We can thin it down a little bit, and Matt show us how this thing works if you hit the gas pedal in there. Floor it, dude. Alright, let's just show you, take a look and see what the pedals look like down here. Alright, matching Lokar billet gas pedals, gas pedal and brake pedal. Of course, the brake pedal's not hooked up, it's kind of hanging in there right now. You can see it rocking back and forth. And Matt, you know what's coming.
Huh?
What do you think about it?
Oh, yeah, I like it.
Pretty sweet, huh?
Yeah.
That's a wrap.